All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today, I'm sitting in a 2018 Ford F-150, and I'm going to go over the radio controls on this vehicle. As you can see, I'm looking in the center of the vehicle right here. There goes the steering wheel. I'm going to look right here, and this is the radio controls, the media center controls. You can turn it on by simply pressing this button right here. When you press it, you see the radio turns on. It's on to 92.3. This right here is the volume. You can turn up the volume and turn it down just like that. Okay. This right here is the seek button. I can press that and you see it's seeking that way or that way right there. Pretty cool. And then there are these buttons. These are the control buttons when you go through other features, and I'll go over that in a little bit. Okay. So if I had something programmed, I can go through that. Right here is the tune button. You can tune the radio to the exact station that you want. Okay. We're going to go up. Right? This is for playing, skipping through, and recirculating the music. Okay? Pretty cool feature right here. All right? Next, up here you have the radio, you have the media button, you have the phone button, you can connect your Bluetooth device to. Right here, it shows right here, you can connect the device, all this stuff, all these features right here. Right here is, okay, equalizers, information button, clock, okay, that's how you can change a clock, settings for connecting a device, and here are channels for presetting your radio. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks a lot for watching.